Visiting the eye doctor in America. English conversation practice. Real-life American English for eye exams. Hi there. Welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans speak during an eye exam at an optometrist's office. You'll practice checking in for an appointment, talking about vision problems, reading eye charts, and asking about glasses and contact lenses. These are real English phrases used every day in America. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat out loud with confidence. Let's begin. Checking in. Hi, I'm here for an eye exam. Great, please fill out this form. Okay, no problem. Does insurance cover this? Yes, most vision plans do. Perfect. Please have a seat and the doctor will call you shortly. Thank you. The eye exam. Hi there, come on in. Please sit in the chair. All right, can you read the top line for me? F, D, P, O, T. Good, and this line? I'm having trouble with that one. That's okay, let me try the other eye. All right, better or worse? A little better. And now? That one looks clearer. Perfect. Talking about glasses. Your prescription has changed slightly. Do I need new glasses? I'd recommend it. Your current glasses are a bit weak. That explains why driving at night feels blurry sometimes. Exactly. How about contacts? We can do that too. Let me fit you for a trial pair. Awesome! I've always wanted to try contacts. Most people adjust to them pretty quickly. Cost and payment. How much will new glasses cost? With insurance, your copay is around $50. That's not bad. Would you like to look at some frames today? Sure, why not? Great! We have some new styles over here. Perfect. Thanks for all your help today. You're very welcome. Have a great day. You too. Fast shadowing practice. I'm here for an eye exam. Please fill out this form. Does insurance cover this? Yes, most vision plans do. Can you read the top line for me? F, D, P, O, T. And this line? I'm having trouble with that one. Your prescription has changed slightly. Do I need new glasses? I'd recommend it. How about contacts? We can do that too. How much will new glasses cost? With insurance, your copay is around $50. Excellent job today. Now you know how to speak naturally during an eye exam in America, using real, everyday English. The more real conversations you practice, the easier English becomes in everyday life. So keep practicing every day. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and train your pronunciation like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real American English conversations. Comment, "Eye exam done," if you practice today. And tell me what lesson you want next. Dentist English? Doctor visit? English? Pharmacy conversation? Airport English? Airport English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.